Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University.
To all political actors, the language you use, the language, the actions you take, and the values you promote will either build or break our country. Elections will come and elections will go, but Uganda remains. Let us choose words that heal, not hurt. Let us debate issues, not personalities. As Scripture teaches us in Proverbs 15:1, a gentle answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger. Your role is vital. Let us definitely be mindful of the language.
Archbishop's Moment, sponsored by Uganda Christian University.